PUR FM2500V Classic Faucet Mount Filter, Small, Gray. PUR Faucet Water Filter. PUR Faucet Filter in gray attaches to your sink faucet for easy, quick access to cleaner, great-tasting filtered water. And LED indicator displays the filter status so you know when it needs a replacement. Faucet Water Filter. PUR's faucet filters are certified to reduce over 70 contaminants, including 99% of lead, so you know you're drinking cleaner water. They provide 100 gallons of filtration, or 2-3 months of typical use, before you need a replacement. Why filter water? Home tap water may look clean, but may contain potentially harmful pollutants and contaminants picked up on its journey through old pipes. PUR water filters, faucet filtration systems and water filter pitchers reduce these contaminants. Superior water filtration. PUR faucet water filters reduce over 70 contaminants, including lead and chlorine, by using activated carbon and ion exchange. Using a PUR water filter for tap water is more affordable than bottled water. Save up to $1,000 per year. Try it and see. Contaminants enter the water system daily. That's why filtering your water is important. We've been developing innovative technologies for superior water filtration for over 30 years. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.